Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. For today's video guys, I have a new bikinis guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo. I bought it in the Thriftway. And of course guys, it's really good and good quality also. Napakamura niya and then I decided to buy it. Ayan. So 2-piece ni siya guys. Okay. This is 2-piece. Ganito siya. Ayan. Kita nyo naman. So, this one guys, ganito siya. And string bikinis. I really like it. Kasi nakita nyo naman guys. Ang cute niya. May ganyan siya. And then, also this one, wow. It's nice also. So, ganito siya guys. And then, of course, na may foam siya dito. May foam po siya. And a very nice one. Ganito. Sa kanyang ayan, loob. So, pareha sila may ayan, may foam. So, ganito siya guys, if ever. So, ito siya, pack. Ganito, ay sa okay, ganito siya. Pay! Ang ganda-ganda, right? And the string also. So, guys, ayan. Pink siya, and then tanawa. Meron siyang mga ganito na mga glitters. Okay, I'm really excited to wear this. Ganito po siya, ng glitters, and then may ganito, string siya, and I really like it, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and of course also comment below. I will read your messages, I will read your comment, and also guys I will respond. So guys, it helped me a lot. Like and subscribe ha. And then ito siya guys, ganito siya. Maganda yung kanyang guys, tali. Okay, maganda yung kanyang tali. Look, it's a very nice one. Tanggalin natin. Sa thrift store ko rin siya nabili guys. Malapit dito sa amin lang. It's nearby here. I bought this around 250 pesos. 250 pesos guys. Oo. So ganito siya guys. Okay. Okay. And then so, itong isa naman guys, ganito siya. Ayan. Ganito siya guys. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. And then, ganito po siya sa loob. Is makapal siya. So, hindi siya babakat talaga. Like, you can be sexy in the beach without any, like, yung parang mahiya ka, no? Because this one is thick. As you can see, guys, is thick quality. And really good. Okay? Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Okay? And then, makapal siya. Let's see, guys, kung kasya sa akin to. And this one also, guys, is very good. Good quality talaga siya. Pwede mo siyang iurong ganon. So, yan. Ganda siya. Okay. And then, ito naman is maganda. Ganda din siya dito. Pack ganon. Okay, suot na natin to guys. I'm very excited na to wear this. So, let's do this. Hi guys, so ito na nga siya guys. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, and then very fit to me also. Ayan, ganyan. I think I am ready for swimming. Ganyan siya guys. O diba? Ang ganda ng kanya-kanya. I really like this one guys, kasi talagang napaka-comfy niya isuot. Anywhere I can go, very comfortable. And also guys, syempre, ito very fit also. I really like it so much. Ayan, ganito siya sa likod guys. May konting sira. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko na isusuot. Ngayon ko lang ni siya nakita guys. Or I think this is na talaga. Kanina wala ni siya eh. Kanina wala to siya. But anyway, there is sira na. Sayang guys, sayang. But anyway, ang ganda. Siguro kung for picture taking running is good talaga siya, right? So for picture taking, it's okay. Ayan, ganito yung kanyang guys, ayan, hanawa. Ganyan yung kanyang likod. So it's very nice also, ganyan. Oo, ganito siya. Ayan. Don't mind this hole, okay? Oo, kasi sira na talaga siya, ganyan. Sayang lang, hindi ko siya napansin guys, kasi gabi ko nga siya nakita. Hindi ko rin na siya napansin kanina, siguro nung sinuot ko is nag-crack na talaga siya. But anyway, for picture, it's okay naman siya, and it's fine. Ayan, sorry sa aking belly fats, sorry. But anyway, this is really good. I like it. Ganyan, pack, ganun. Diba, ang ganda niya.
Sorry lang sa sira.